Although it's a considerable decrease from the 12.1mm of the original model, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition still can't match the competition in terms of folding down to only 10.6mm. While the Honor Magic V3 is even slimmer at 9.2mm, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold measures 10.5mm. What a sleek foldable can be is really being challenged by those products, so it will be fascinating to watch how Samsung steps up to the plate. Though it will likely have a few much-needed adjustments, this model is anticipated to maintain the general aesthetic of Samsung's flagship foldable. Gorgeous brushed metal on the rear of the smartphone, which would increase its longevity and give it a contemporary, high-end vibe, is hinted to in leaked photos. Don't forget about the camera bump, it's probably more noticeable and gives the gadget a unique personality while maintaining its slimmer profile. The back glass may even have a metallic-like finish, providing an additional degree of elegance. Let's now turn our attention to the cover display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. It is said to include a centrally situated punch camera, a feature that has been fairly popular in recent trends of smartphone designs. While Evan Blast's account is still secret, which further heightens the mystery and intrigue, recent leaks from the usually trustworthy Evan Blast indicate that some interesting advancements are in store for this model as well. This is great news for anybody who enjoys taking pictures since it suggests a more streamlined design and an enhanced rear camera system. It is a significant issue in today's market that there isn't a single foldable device in North America that can truly compete with flagship camera systems. For example, the camera quality of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is inferior to that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold can't quite match the Pixel 9 Pro XL. There is pressure on Samsung to improve because it has been almost 3 years without any significant changes, particularly since its $1,900 folding phone and the more affordable Galaxy S24 shared the same back camera technology. Fans of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition are giddy with anticipation over the device's possible camera enhancements. The basic Fold 6 is equipped with parts from the standard Galaxy S24, which are good enough for daily photos but fall short of the superior quality of high-end models like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.